Hello fellow programmers and coders. In this video we are going to discuss a dictionary in Python. A dictionary is a data structure that stores a certain amount of data in form of key value pairs. So it is always a pair of a key and a value. So think of it like a dictionary in English where each word has a meaning and all this they form a pair. So in Python a dictionary must always have a key and its value. So let's create a student dictionary right here. Then we fill in the information of the student. So we can start with the name, then we put full colons, then we write the name of the student. Let's say Samuel. Then we end with a comma. Then we also add the age of the student. Then we can say 20. Then we end with a comma. And then we can also add the course. So let's say course. Let's say the course of the student. Let's say biology. Alright. So now we have created our student dictionary. So now how do we access the elements inside the dictionary? So there are several ways of accessing the elements, but I'll give you the most safe and the most convenient way. So we have print. This is now the way of accessing the values in the key elements. So I can say print student, and then I say dot get, and then I can put key here. So the key here and the first key is always the name. So what this line of code will do, it will give me the value of the key name. So when I run this, it must give me Samuel as the output because it is the key that is related to the name. So as you can see from right here, it is the name Samuel. Why? Because it is connected to the key name. So we can also change it. Like we can say, let's say age. So I can say age. So what this will do to return a value of 20. Why? Because age is connected to, so it is right here 20, because age is connected to the value 20. So this is how you access values in a dictionary. So now what if you write something which is not corresponding or which is not in the dictionary? Let's say I type in height. If height is not in the dictionary, what will happen? So this will always give us a none value. Why? Because height is not connected to anything inside the dictionary. So when I run this, it gives us none. It gives us none, as you can see from right here. So you can also modify your dictionary. So you can say, instead of giving you none every time, you can modify it and say, let it give me not found. So what this will do, every time you want to access a key that is not in the dictionary, it will always give you not found. So when I run this, it must give me not found, as you can see from right here, not found. And then now let's go to looping. If you want to use a for loop to access maybe only the keys or only the values, so we shall use a for loop. We say for key in student. So for every key in the student, what do? We print out the key. So what this will do, it will only give me the keys that are present in the dictionary. So when I run this, it must give me name, age, and course. So I think this right here. So I run this. So it is name, age, and course. So that is how you loop through keys. So now let's also loop through the values. So I can say value for every value in student I can say in student.values. So this will be linked all the values inside the dictionary. So then I can print out value. So what this will do, it will only give me the values that are present in the dictionary. So let me run this. Sorry, there's an error. Student.values. So I'm supposed to include a bracket there. So when I run this again, it's supposed to work efficiently. So I run this. As you can see, Samuel 20 and biology. So this is just the basics of dictionaries in Python. So you may ask yourself, what are dictionaries used for? So dictionaries, let's say their applications. What are they used for? Or in which programs are they used for? So usually they are used in AI systems. You can also use them in game engines. You can use them in machine learning, even web development. Let's say and web development. So learning dictionaries is not negotiable. You must understand them because they will come back to you later when you are developing advanced systems. So this is the wrap of the video. If you understood something from this video, make sure to like, subscribe and comment.